Let's get it. What is up, y'all? It is Saturday, the 1st of May, 2021, and we are hitting the streets once again. Let's see what we can find out there. Let's get it. How much for the console table and the dog crate? 15 for that, and then the dog crate?
Oh, the dog?
Yeah.
It's at 25.
25, okay, wow. For that console table that I just saw, if I rehabbed it, probably maximum I could get would be 60, 70 bucks for it with a full rehab. And at $15, it probably wouldn't be worth the time to invest in the paint and the effort to flip it. So not worth it for this one. Moving on. About that.
Yeah, I know.
It's so difficult moving that
small trailer.
Yeah.
Good job, babe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Not sure if that recorded, but I talked them down from 20 bucks for that dresser and DVD to 10 bucks. I mean, the DVD alone sells on eBay for about anywhere from 12 to 15 bucks brand new, which this is. It's completely sealed. And the dresser, you know, I could list it right now, probably make 75 bucks. If I rehab it a little bit, I could probably make 100 to 150 bucks. So those are the types of rehab things that I'm looking for. Something that I could just quickly post, minimal effort. I mean, the only effort I would put into it would be restaining the top and flip it for hopefully, you know, 6, 7X. Good haul. It says 8 bucks.
What do you want to pay for it? 5 bucks?
5 bucks? Okay. You know if it still works? I'm sure it probably does. Yeah. Here you go.
Very good. Thank you. For the bathroom.
This looks like the phone back when I was a kid. Hello, hello.
How much you want for this shelf right here?
It folds up.
Interesting.
Yeah, it is interesting. I'd like 25.
25 for it?
I'll take 20.
Yeah. I was thinking more like 10 bucks, but it's okay. I'd do 15.
Let me go ask my
Sure.
15, you said?
Yeah.
All right, you can have it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Not a great deal on that, but it's interesting because it folds away. I could probably sell it for 50 bucks. I don't need to do any rehab on it, and it won't take much space in my inventory because it folds away so ridiculously. So I was willing to take a flyer on it for 15 bucks. We'll see. Hi there.
Hi.
Would you do 20 on the coffee pot?
Probably. Let me grab my husband.
Sure. You all right?
Yeah.
You'll do 20 on it? Here you go. Thanks.
I went to the bigger thing. That
Yeah.
wasn't what I really wanted. It was gifted to me. And
Oh, okay,
I
gotcha.
didn't return it. I bought the big...
Gigantic one.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. All right. Oh, I'm vegetarian, thank you.
Oh, I have vegan jerky as well.
Do you, vegan jerky?
I do. It's jackfruit.
Really?
This table they got.
You're bagging up some jerky.
3 of us put it out here.
Very good.
Thank you.
You should have backed up.
Maggie.
How much are you looking for the easel?
Yeah.
I don't know. Make an offer.
What time is it?
Like 10 bucks?
How was the jerky?
10 bucks? Would you do 5 for it?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah?
Flip Man Dan.
That's awesome.
But man, Dan needs to put life changer jerky in.
Life Changer Jerky, sponsored by. Very
yeah.
cool though. I love the
Would you like to
vegan
buy
jerky.
some?
I'll buy some jerky.
Do you like the vegan jerky?
It's good.
We got any more fun top stuff for you?
There's
Soda
the
jar
jackfruit.
hot
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, it's very pretty. Settee?
Gotta get the pronunciation.
Is it a French word?
I don't know. You'd have to ask my
Settee.
Settee.
What a settee. Settee.
Imagine if you brought that home and you said, look at this beautiful settee I bought.
My girlfriend would be like, why did you do this?
This in your home, especially if you had a solid or you had a, you know, some other color in your furniture that would just pick this up as an accent piece.
Were you a saleswoman in your previous life?
Not of furniture, but
No.
but if nothing else, it's a good conversation piece.
It is.
And it's comfortable.
I buy things to sell them. So I would probably get $50 for this.
She had it at 75.
Right. You know, I would consider like, I don't want to offend her or you, but I would do like $20 for it.
And she probably wouldn't take that.
Yeah.
Because she paid way more than that.
I'm
for
sure
it.
she did. 40.
Bye, Dan.
Oh, bye. Say hi to your Dan for me. Would you do 35 for that?
40.
$40?
That's all I'm going. Yeah.
Okay.
It's nice.
I might regret it, but it's a nice piece. I'll do 40. Can I just give it to you?
Hang on, and I can help you if you want to wait.
No, that's fine. It's very light.
All right.
All right, guys, we are back. What an excellent haul. Let's see what we got here today. First up, we got a $5 easel. I can't believe this was $5. Oh, and the friendly people also gave me some vegan beef jerky. Thanks. This actually costs the same amount as this easel. Life Changer Jerky. Check it out. This right here is a foldable 3-tier shelf. Now, it's pretty interesting because it's so portable, it can kind of just pack away. Spent 15 on it. Maybe I'll sell it for 50. More likely, I'll probably get rid of it for $40. This right here was probably the most value for this haul. It is a World Series DVD 2001, Yankees suck, and a dresser, multi-tier dresser. This is a big dresser, solid wood. You know, it's got a little staining right here. And I'm just gonna redo this. And this could potentially go for 100 to 150 bucks, for 10 bucks total. This is what they call a settee. Ooh, it's comfy, actually. This baby was probably the hardest negotiation I had on the day. She marked her price down from 75 to 50. I wanted it for 20. She stuck to 40. I said, you know what? This thing is so unique and in such excellent condition. There's not a mark on this thing. It's incredible. And the woodworking is just, you don't see this stuff every day. Very unique piece. I'm gonna mark it as boho because it kind of is. You know, a little grandma boho, but it's still pretty good. And hopefully I can get somewhere near 200 bucks for this thing. I mean, these retail for around 1,000 if you want a good settee. This probably cost that much when she bought it, but used probably around 200 bucks. We'll see though. Then finally, I got 2 coffee pots because I need one. My parents are coming into town and I don't have enough coffee space in my French press. So I need an actual pot. Got this one first for $5. And then this one was brand new, in box, never used. This one I got for 20 bucks, so 25 total for both. I'll clean this one up and sell this one for 25, and I'm gonna keep the brand new one, which retails for 100 bucks, and use that. So, a little for me, a little for you. All in all, a great day. Tune in for excellent DIY content and flipping adventures. Once again, I am Flipman Dan, signing out.